yesterday we got a random snowstorm and I can't even believe it. Like, the first day of spring is next week. One day it was 60-degree weather here, the next day it was 35. That's just Ohio weather for you. I'm over it. But anyways, today we're in my bathroom. As promised, if you can recall from a few videos back when I tidied up my bedroom, I told you guys that I was going to be coming back in here to organize my bathroom drawers, and that's exactly what I will be tackling for you all today. So I hope that you can draw some organization, inspiration, and ideas from today's video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Let me show you what these drawers look like. I figured I'd take this one section at a time. So I'm just starting off with my half of the sink. So as you can see, I have clearly emptied out my drawers and underneath my side of the sink. But I'm gonna have to pull out my cordless vacuum cleaner and wipe down the inside of these cabinets because it is quite disgusting. Of course, this is going to be another Dollar Tree organization because you guys know how much I love going to Dollar Tree to save money when I'm trying to get organized, even though I hate that their prices just went up. So we're just going to play around with the placement of these containers and see how these drawers turn out.
Show me the car when you turn me on, the way you tell me you want me down. Done it, I done this before you fall. I won't catch you, don't know I'm stalling. Cause you love to have them all crying. Calling me sweet, telling me you need me. But I'm from a city that's high school. I give them this and the more I go. Cause you a bad money, she don't love money. She break grass real fast like con money. Wanna swim down to the deep end. Wanna know all my secrets, honestly. Can you keep it real? Cause honestly, I can tell that you're real fond of me. Baby, don't be shy, I can see it in your eyes. I've been running around. Too bad, I've been sticking on your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad, I've been sticking on your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Can you take it all night? Take it, baby, with me, I ain't scared to take it. Oh, and maybe when I take it, oh, I feel it coming down too strong. Cause I want ya, and it's hard to resist cause I need ya. And it's hard, baby, yeah, cause I believe ya. Hold me tight, holding on tonight. Holding a couple, when you get to your clean and proper. Yeah, I'm moving the weekend lover. You gon' have me on your mind forever, ever. Thanks, baby, turn it down like a sweet and ready. Go slow, keep it nice and steady. Know that you've been keeping patience. Too bad, I've been sticking on your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad, I've been sticking on your mind. I know you like it how I rock.
As you guys just saw, I am done with my two drawers and I like the way they came together. I'm gonna give you guys the big reveal once I'm done with the entire vanity. But my thought process right now, I have my, tampons. Sorry if I have any guys watching this video, but I have my feminine products in this little divider basket. And I bought these boxes, this from Dollar Tree, and I only got 2 of them, and I'm kind of bummed because I really need 3. 1 for plus, 1 for super, 1 for regular. So for right now, what I'm gonna do is keep the I don't know what I'm gonna do. I may keep the regular and the super together and leave the super plus in his basket all on its own, but once I get done filming, I'll probably end up running to Dollar Tree and getting another one of these things. But right now, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put my tampons inside of here and start organizing underneath this sink.
Bet you never loved someone. Bet you never loved somebody like I just did. Bet you always hurt the ones. Hurt the ones you say you're so deep in love with. You don't know nothing, 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 nothing. You don't know what it feels like. Baby, I'm hurting, 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 hurting. And you don't even ask why I'm staying up all night. I haven't slept since you came into my life. Why I'm drinking all the time. Why I'm feeling lonely when you're here by my side. I just want something, 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 something from you that feels right. But I know nothing, 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 nothing will do, not this time. You tell me that you care for me, but I don't think it's true. You say I'm all you got, but baby, all you got is you. You promise me you're everything, but never see it through. I don't think you truly love me. If you did, you wouldn't hurt me. Hate it when you call me up. Call me up to tell me you're not coming tonight. Hate it when you cut me off. When I'm trying to tell you that it doesn't feel right. If I know one thing, one thing, one thing, one thing, I know your loving ain't fair. You don't know loving, 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 loving. You don't know how to be there. You tell me that you care for me, but I don't think it's true. You say I'm all you got, but baby, all you got is you. You promise me you're everything, but never see it through. I don't think you truly love me. If you did, you wouldn't hurt me. This way, this way, this way, this way, this way. No way, no way, no way, no way, no way. You tell me that you care for me, but I don't think it's true. You say I'm all you got, but baby, all you got is you. You promise me you're everything, but never see it through. I don't think you truly love me. If you did, you wouldn't hurt me. This way, this way, this way, this way.
I didn't have to do much down here, but just tidy up the way everything looked. And there's nothing in this drawer as well. Now that I've got the drawers done, I need to clear off this vanity and disinfect and clean it because it is quite disgusting. I hate to admit it, but hey, you know, we live here. These are real life messes, and I just need to clean it. So let's do this.
You went from lonely to falling in love, watching it all unfold. Yeah, I'm not scared of commitment, I'm just scared of doing something wrong. I don't wanna see you go, 'cause baby, I got problems in me. Sometimes it gets hard for me to tell you how I feel. I'm afraid to show you what's underneath, 'cause I don't wanna let you down. Got a lot of demons up in my
To clean my vanity, I'm going to be using my DIY bathroom cleaner, which is just a Dawn and vinegar mix with a few drops of essential oil. And then I'll follow it up with my DIY disinfectant spray.
Down, 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 let you down, let you down, let you down, 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 let you down, let you down, let you down, down, down. I don't wanna let you down. Early mornings in your bedroom, waking up with you by my side, looking so beautiful. Yeah, I got high when I met you, got me way up in the clouds, and I don't wanna go back. 'Cause baby, I got problems in me. Sometimes it gets hard for me to tell you how I feel. I'm afraid to show you it's underneath, 'cause I don't wanna let you down. Got a lot of demons up in my brain, got a lot of bad thoughts giving me pain. I'm afraid to show you it's underneath, 'cause I don't wanna let you down. Let you down, let you down, let you down, down, down. Let you down, let you down, let you down, down, down. Let you down, let you down, let you down, down, down. I don't wanna let you down. Let you down, let you down, let you down, down, down. Let you down, let you down, let you down, down, down. Let you down, let you down, let you down, down, down. I don't wanna let you down. 'Cause baby, I got problems in me. Sometimes it gets hard for me to tell you how I feel. I'm afraid to show you it's underneath, 'cause I don't wanna let you down. Got a lot of demons up in my brain, got a lot of bad thoughts giving me pain. I'm afraid to show you it's underneath, 'cause I don't wanna let you down. Let you down, let you down, let you down, down, down. Let you down, let you down, let you down, down, down. Let you down, let you down, let you down, down, down. I don't wanna let you down. I don't wanna let you down.
I threw the bath rug and the hand towel in the washer so that I could vacuum the floor. So now I'm gonna show you guys the before and after.